G'day everyone, it's the Malu hunter here. Down on the south coast chasing some fish off the beach. I bought myself a new rod recently. Dennis at Canberra Fishing Rod Repairs did me up a beauty. 13 foot, nice and light. Good for my strength, good for my height. Hopefully it casts beautifully today. Stay tuned, hopefully we get a couple of fish. So today I'm not using the usual store-bought Paternoster. I've just tied my own single Paternoster with one of these grapnel sinkers. Don't know if that's a technical term, but that's it. With a wire trace up top. Whole pilchard. That's a size 4.0 bait holder on a wire trace. This rod, now this rod's a beauty. Dennis from Canberra Fishing Rod Repairs. He made this one for me recently. 13 foot, absolute beauty, nice and light. Bit longer. A few more guides than your Jarvis Walkers, which I've always fished with. And yesterday I went out to Moruya Tackle World and got myself an 8000 Sedona from Shimano. So let's see if we can't christen this setup. Fingers crossed, eh? This is cast number 1 with this rod. Cast number 1, but also cast number 1 today. Bang! Alright everybody, let's christen this. I'm lazy fishing as usual. Rod holder right here. And now we watch. Now we watch and we wait. Jake's having a great old time down there as well. Surf fishing. Does it get any better in terms of therapy? Now another addition to my beach fishing setup has been this little chair, which has a cooler in the bottom, which allows me to have my beers in there. That's the sort of fishing I'm into. We might have ourselves a little something on. It's not very big. We got something. What is it? Sambo? Must be small, because he's not really giving much curry. We got one though. Something to start with. That's always nice. Oh, a little bit of curry here as he gets closer. There he is. There he is. Not bad. No monster salmon, but a salmon. Let's have a look. There we go. He's only just hooked. Stand back, Jakey. He's only just hooked in the side of the mouth. There he goes. Move, 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 move. Do you want to put him back? Yes. Go. Quick, quick. There he is. Whoa, 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 quick, get him. Okay, send him back. Well, cast number 1. Thank you, Dennis. I think the rod works. Cast number 1, and I reckon that was about 5 minutes tops. Alright, cast number 2. I'm going with a half fillet this time. Let's go as far as we can this time. Bang! Lovely. Nice and easy to cast, nice and light to handle. Exactly what I was after. And now I'll sit down and have my beer again. Hopefully we have another fish on. Well, that was a good start. That was about probably I'm going to call 40 odd centimetre salmon. So no baby, but there's plenty of those out there. I'll only take the much bigger ones, sort of 50 plus at least, or 55 thereabouts. Alright, we got another one, we got another one. Here we go, ready. Pretty sure we got one. Oh, this rod is beautiful. It's coming in nicely with the waves, I think. If there's a fish, it's not fighting. Oh no, we got one, a little one. Again. About the same size. Yeah, 40 odd. Let's put him in. As I said, I won't be taking this size. Only the bigger ones. Look at that perfect hooking. Right in the lip. There we go. I've just broken another trace, a little hook on it. Anyway, he must be about 40, 45. There he goes. He's come back. Oi. Well, how about that? 2 in 2 casts. Alright, well, I can't fix that wire trace, so if there's Tailor, I'm in all sorts. I've just gone single Paternoster, straight to the line, just with a loop knot there. Alright, well, let's see if we can't get ourselves a hat trick. 3 from 3. Bang! There we go. Alright. Alright, I've decided to call my new chair BT. Let me know if you've got a better name. Beer Throne. For when I'm out fishing. Beer Throne. Yep, we're on. We're on, Jakey. We're on. I think this one's a little bigger, Jake. Do you reckon? Let's see. No, he's even smaller. What the hell? Even smaller. Stand back, Jake, stand back. All right, Jake. 3 from 3 on the new rod. Woohoo! Take that hook. Jake, you can, whoop. You can take him away. Ready? There you go. You send him back. Carefully and gently. Is it kicking? Oh, is it kicking? Yeah, he's kicking. Oh, is it bit? Oh no. Oh no, we're good, we're good. He's surfing that wave. Gee, this rod is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's another small one. Same size. All the same size. Or at least similar size. Fish number, what's that, number 4? I think. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You want to put him back? Good boy. Go closer, go closer, go closer. Ready? And go. No, not yet. On your way to the big wave. Well, he's going to jump out of your hands. Go, go, quick before the wave! Alright, we got a new pilchard on. Well, that's 4 salmon. 2 of them were sort of 40, maybe 45. The other 2 were sort of been, I don't know, 30, maybe. shit, no. I thought it was the weed. I thought it was the weed. Oh shit, I thought that was the weed on my line. But no, I think this is a fish. Yep, it is a fish. And it could be a little bigger, I think. Same size. There you go, Jakey. All right, you got him? All right. Ready, steady, go. Which way is he coming? Other way, mate, other way. Other way, mate. Had a bit of action after those first 3 or 4 casts, which were bang, 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 bang. Nothing as aggressive, nothing as big. We've been here about another hour since that. Just got another one there. My father-in-law's got a couple of small ones as well. Nothing big. So the tide's just topped out. So hopefully, as the tide starts to go back down and the sun starts to set behind us here, we might get a little change. The wind is still about the same as when we got here, but hopefully that sun going down. See if there's anyone home. I think that's the last one. Can. Yeah, so this sun's going down. I just hope it triggers something different, because we've had a lot of medium and small salmon. That's been about it. Oh, it's been a while since I've been at the beach. A long while. Between COVID and some bits and pieces in my personal life, I haven't been out fishing at the beach for a long time. Anyway, it's really, really good to be back. Just a bit of darkness coming over the water now. Sun setting behind me. I just hope that changes something. See what happens. Not going to be here for much longer. I've probably fished a good 3-4 hours already, so see whether something changes in the next half hour, 45 minutes. Otherwise, home I go for a nice hot shower and some dinner. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you supporting the channel. Channel about just some pretty basic fishing. In this case, beach fishing. Have we got weed again, or have we got a fish? What have we got? Again. No, I think that's a fish. Oh yeah, that's a fish. He's surfing out there. What in the world? What size is he? That's the question. That's the real question. Let me see if I can get up here with him. What size is he? That's what I need to know. Well, he's not. Oh, he's a touch bigger. He is a touch bigger. Alright. Well, given the size isn't really increasing, he might come home for a curry. No. Look, mate, thanks for coming, but can you send a bigger brother before I go home? Well, I said one more cast last cast, but you know how that goes. That was a take, surely. Yeah, yep. Got something. Let's see what sort of size we're working with. It feels pretty similar again, unfortunately. Ain't you get off in the waves, you bastard. Ah, flathead, eh? Unfortunately, too small. That's something different. Lovely little sand flathead. And self-release too. Alright, there goes the next wave, mate. You're good. See ya. Oh, that was a little different. A little different. Another couple of nibbles. I've actually only got one pilchard left. Well, half a pilchard left, so this is the actual second last cast. Well, session's coming to a close. Bit of darkness coming over the water now. Can only hope a little change in the next half an hour as I'm home. Go home for a nice hot shower. We haven't been terribly unlucky today, but we haven't been hugely successful. Thanks for watching. This is the Malu Hunter. Cheers.